Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Color Tunes with Sampada and Purvi. With Diwali being around the corner, we have something amazing in store for you. Today we'll see how to make these two diyas. First, let's see how to make the diya using the pista shell. So I've used pista shells, tea light candle and a coaster. I'll take out the candle and use only the metal cover. So, as you can see, I've taken a pista shell and I'll stick the shell to the metal cover. So we go on sticking these shells right next to each other. So I'm done with one full circle. Now for the next circle, we'll place a shell in between the two shells. Also remember that you place the next layer, that's the next shell, a bit lower than the previous one. So placing it lower is important because the shell will sit in an angle and it also will look really nice. I'll repeat the same way, one beside the other. I'll repeat the same and make 3 circles. You may increase or decrease the number of circles of the shells as you like. And there goes the last one. So beautiful. In real time, I hardly took 10 minutes to complete this. We'll see how to make another beautiful diya. So all we need here is a cutout of a cardboard, plastic spoons, sellotape, acrylic paints, red and white, diya, a paintbrush and scissors. So here I've just taken a circular cutout from a cardboard and we'll paint it using white acrylic paint. This will act as our base for the diya. Now we take plastic spoons and we cut it this way. So we'll cut all the spoons in the same way. Now as you can see, we'll paint the spoons using the red acrylic paint. So in the same way, we'll paint all the spoons. Now let's paint the back side of the spoon. In the same way, I'll go on painting all the spoons. As you can see, I've just taken a sellotape and rolled it and stuck it to the cardboard. And now we'll stick the spoons to it. So we'll go on sticking the spoons in a circular format. You can also use a double-sided tape if you like. So we've stuck all the spoons. Now I'll place the diya in the middle. So now to make it a little more interesting, we'll add some pearls. See how beautiful it looks. Please like, share and subscribe if you liked our video. Thanks for watching.